The primary control surfaces of an aircraft are essential for controlling its attitude in flight. Ailerons, located at the ends of the wings, they are used to control the roll of the aircraft. When moving up or down, they create a different lift between the wing and the other, causing the aircraft to rotate around its longitudinal axis. Elevator, located in the tail of the aircraft, control its pitch, the movement of the nose, up or down. And don't forget, this is the movement of the vertical axis, longitudinal axis, the lateral axis. If you know more about control surfaces, let me know in the comments.